Turbocharger restoration. How to repair a turbocharger. A worn-out turbocharger on a workbench. A montage of tools, mechanics inspecting the turbo, and close-ups of damaged components. Turbocharger restoration. How to repair a turbocharger. The turbocharger, a small but mighty component that boosts your engine's performance. But what happens when it fails? Today we're diving into the step-by-step process of turbocharger restoration, breathing new life into this critical part of your vehicle. On-screen text, Turbocharger Restoration, the Ultimate Guide. A mechanic dismantling the turbocharger, showing worn-out blades, carbon deposits, or oil leaks. Turbocharger restoration, how to repair a turbocharger. The first step to any repair is diagnosing the issue. A failing turbocharger can show signs like reduced engine power, excessive smoke, or unusual noises. Here we've got a classic case of wear and tear. Cut to mechanic pointing out issues like bent blades, clogged oil passages, and a damaged bearing. Turbocharger restoration, how to repair a turbocharger. Common problems include damaged turbine blades, clogged oil lines, or worn-out bearings. These issues can reduce efficiency or even cause total failure. Mechanic carefully dismantling the turbocharger with specialized tools. Screws, clamps, and the housing are removed step by step. Turbocharger restoration, how to repair a turbocharger. Next, we disassemble the turbocharger.